Please be quiet.
Please be quiet.
Run fast, hurry.
Run fast, hurry.
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
Stand here.
Stand here.
Where are you going?
Where are you going?
Sit there.
Sit there.
Let's take a break.
Let's take a break.
Wait for a moment.
Wait for a moment.
I need some water.
I need some water.
Don't move.
Don't move.
How are you feeling?
How are you feeling?
Come in.
Come in.
Don't forget this.
Don't forget this.
Go out.
Go out.
Please wait here.
Please wait here.
Look up.
Look up.
I am proud of you.
I am proud of you.
Look down.
Look down.
Let's work together.
Let's work together.
Don't be scared.
Don't be scared.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Be brave.
Be brave.
Don't worry.
Don't worry.
Walk slowly, please.
Walk slowly, please.
Do you need anything?
Do you need anything?
Close the door quietly.
Close the door quietly.
Please listen carefully.
Please listen carefully.
Open the door carefully.
Open the door carefully.
It's okay to rest.
It's okay to rest.
Don't be upset.
Don't be upset.
Don't rush.
Don't rush.
Stay calm, relax.
Stay calm, relax.
Can you show me?
Can you show me?
Drink your juice.
Drink your juice.
I'll be right back.
I'll be right back.
Eat your breakfast.
Eat your breakfast.
Don't touch that.
Don't touch that.
Don't be angry.
Don't be angry.
Let's try again.
Let's try again.
Take a deep breath.
Take a deep breath.
I believe in you.
I believe in you.
Close your mouth.
Close your mouth.
Stay focused.
Stay focused.
Open your mouth.
Open your mouth.
Don't be scared.
Don't be scared.
Listen to the teacher.
Listen to the teacher.
How's your day?
How's your day?
Read aloud.
Read aloud.
Let's take our time.
Let's take our time.
Read quietly.
Read quietly.
You're doing great.
You're doing great.
Talk to me.
Talk to me.
It's time to go.
It's time to go.
Tell me your name.
Tell me your name.
We need to talk.
We need to talk.
Be honest.
Be honest.
Just relax.
Just relax.
Tell the truth.
Tell the truth.
I need your help.
I need your help.
Don't lie.
Don't lie.
Please be patient.
Please be patient.
Be gentle.
Be gentle.
I'm excited.
I'm excited.
Don't shout at me.
Don't shout at me.
Can you see that?
Can you see that?
Talk slowly.
Talk slowly.
Take a deep breath.
Take a deep breath.
Be respectful.
Be respectful.
You can do it.
You can do it.
Walk quietly.
Walk quietly.
Let's go forward.
Let's go forward.
Walk faster.
Walk faster.
What do you think?
What do you think?
Wait here, please.
Wait here, please.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Come here quickly.
Come here quickly.
Stay positive.
Stay positive.
Go to class.
Go to class.
I trust you.
I trust you.
Leave the room.
Leave the room.
Let's do this.
Let's do this.
Pick up your bag.
Pick up your bag.
You're doing well.
You're doing well.
Put your shoes on.
Put your shoes on.
I can do it.
I can do it.
Don't touch that.
Don't touch that.
Keep going.
Keep going.
Look at the picture.
Look at the picture.
Please listen.
Please listen.
Read this book.
Read this book.
It will be fine.
It will be fine.
Turn the page.
Turn the page.
Let's keep going.
Let's keep going.
Speak louder.
Speak louder.
Can you explain?
Can you explain?
Tell a story.
Tell a story.
We can do this.
We can do this.
Listen to the radio.
Listen to the radio.
Are you sure?
Are you sure?
Smile more.
Smile more.